In this topic, you will receive a high-level overview of the new features and improvements of Sage X3 version 11. This includes features in navigation and the user interface. You'll also learn about improvements in financials, distribution, manufacturing, project management, mobile and platform, as well as development improvements, and complementary solutions that integrate with Sage X3 to extend functionality in many areas. So why are these enhancements important to you? Well, they provide a workflow and environment that is faster and simpler to use, and more flexible in all the major business modules within the software. You'll realize faster process cycle times, inventory turns, customer response time, insights into costs, and performance, just to name a few. Now, there's also simpler management of distribution operations and simpler IT management. The enhancements also provide flexible capacity, customization, configuration, and development options in the cloud or on premises. Beginning with the improvements made to navigation and user interface, it's easier to perform your tasks in the software, including a new login page and a new global header for easier access to your profile information and regional preferences. The header also provides easy access to a list of roles, the endpoint folder to use, bookmarks, search, personalizing pages, and the online help center. Another important navigation improvement is the new Mega menu, which provides easier access to the modules and functions within the software. There's a new sitemap feature allowing you to access any function from any screen or page within the software. Lastly, there are numerous user interface enhancements allowing you to work more efficiently within the software. Now, there are also many powerful improvements in the financial module, including the ability to simulate the future journal entry when posting a document, as well as adding customized lines to an existing accounting code. You also have the ability to jump to an original transaction from an inquiry page, the ability to define a budget with up to 9 dimension types, and important new financial reporting and consolidation improvements. Additionally, there are financial improvements that affect certain regions, such as being able to manage unallocated payments as well as update payments and discount amounts. You have improved efficiency by automatically generating the transactions matching open items or unbalanced operations when importing bank statements in MT 940 format. There are improvements with currency mass conversion process. And also, there are compliance updates for many countries, including Australia, Germany, Poland, Portugal, South Africa, Spain, France, and Switzerland. There are also many improvements that have been made in distribution, including inbound logistics, many improvements in landed costs such as capacity management, shipment closing, tracking documents, and user step tracking. For shipments, there are improvements with product costs and complementary invoices. You can now also perform inventory multi-counting. Subcontract order enhancements include external orders update with traceability and a new design of subcontract orders inquiry. In customer relation management, also known as CRM, you can set the CRM calendar to jump to various CRM functions and manage mobile phone numbers. Additionally, the appointments and service response functions have new enhancements as well. There are also many improvements that have been made to the manufacturing process, including traceability of routing changes through version management. For change control management, you can now inquiry the change request process from the BOM and routing functions. And there are also numerous shop floor tracking improvements, such as an efficient way to capture labor and production detail, manager processing, team management, and automated data collection. There's also a new project management module to address the needs of project-based organizations in the manufacturing and services businesses. This allows you to manage all aspects of a project across financial, distribution, and manufacturing processes, from quoting to planning resources and material, tracking costs and scheduling, invoicing, and analyzing profits. Specifically, there are improvements including project structure, such as cost and task structures overviews, time entries and employee assignments. Easily view the overall financial state of a project. Create sales quotes, orders, and invoices directly from the project. There's MRP integration. And lastly, there's a greater visibility for purchasing and sales processes with links to the project and project structures. There also have been many technical improvements made, including numerous mobile app features, such as availability of Microsoft Windows 10 and Apple iOS with Sage X3 mobile apps, and the ability to customize your mobile dashboard. For developers, there is a new panel allowing quicker access to frequently used functions, as well as improvements in the easy patching utility. Other improvements include the ability to manage a signature request, web service consumption history, and improvement of the update users from LDAP function. Additionally, there are several API improvements for developers. There's a platform improvements as well, including the ability to duplicate a server environment on the fly, as well as run batch tasks on several servers. Also, new or improved complementary solutions that includes the new production scheduler, which allows you to optimize production cycles and control lead time with more flexible graphical production planning and scheduling capabilities. There's XM Symphony, an e-commerce extension, allows you to build customize a comprehensive web store within days and manage catalogs, pricing, inventory, customers, and all transactions as part of the Sage X3 core supply chain management process. There's synchronized customer records between Salesforce CRM and Sage X3, and you can display customer records in Salesforce using the new Sage X3 Salesforce CRM connector. You can easily design reports with intuitive Excel-based reporting capabilities integrated with Sage X3 Financial Management. This also allows you to automate the running and distribution of reports to teams or individuals. There are also some other powerful complementary solutions included, like data management and analytics. You can integrate, migrate, and manage data across platforms and get consistent insights from multiple sources. There's Sage Geo, which extends Sage X3 with warehouse management capabilities to optimize all physical flows in the warehouse from receipts to shipments. Also, with Sage X3 Construction, you can extend the core Sage X3 capabilities for financial and supply chain management with one cohesive solution to manage all construction and real estate business processes. And finally, you can now expand Sage X3 with a new human resources solution, Sage People, and include talent acquisition and management, workforce management, and HR planning. Now, it's important to note that Sage X3 version 11 will be available in the cloud and on premises, and that all features previously introduced in version 10, which was cloud only, will be also available in version 11 in the cloud and on premises. Now you have learned a high-level overview of the new features and improvements in Sage X3 version 11. These new features and improvements will help you work faster, simpler, and with more flexibility in all key business areas of the software.